Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about asynchronous programming. Firstly, we can see about synchronous programming. Synchronous programming waits for the finish current task before moving to another task. Let's see. Suppose this is user A and this is user B. Here is user A and user B. Suppose user A send the request to the B. Here A is blocked until response come from the B. Means A is not perform any other task. This is the synchronous programming. After that, what is meant by asynchronous programming? In asynchronous programming, we can execute multiple processes parallel at the same time. Means we can move on to another task before it finish. This is the asynchronous programming. Next is types of asynchronous programming. These four are the types of asynchronous programming. First is batch apex. It runs large jobs that would exceed normal processing limit. That time batch apex is used. Second is schedulable apex. It runs at a specified time. Next is future apex. It run in their own thread and do not start until resources are available. And last one is Queueable Apex. Queueable Apex is similar to the future Apex uh, future method, but provide additional job chaining and allow more complex data types to be used. These are the types of asynchronous programming. Next topic is governor limits of asynchronous programming. Asynchronous Apex provides higher governor and execution limits. Number of SOQL is double from 100 to 200, and total heap size and maximum CPU time are similarly larger for asynchronous calls. These three are the governor limit of asynchronous programming. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.